Hey guys, Chris Luna here with the Chris Luna Group of Compass. It's another episode of Coffee with Chris. Today my guest is Tiara Raibley. She is an owner partner with your CPA Corner here in Walnut Creek. And so what I want to talk to Tiara about today is, I have a bunch of clients that self-prepare their taxes, and some of them has family member and friends that do it. But let's talk about that, Tiara. Why is it important to have a CPA prepare your taxes versus self-preparing them?
That's actually a very good question, Chris, and I get that all the time in my profession. And as much as many clients are actually, or taxpayers are very well capable of doing their own taxes with using a software like TurboTax, it is very good to. There are certain transactions that can be simply done, but can be easily complicated, and it could just be in 1 year, one part of the year, over the years, and it really helps to have a licensed professional take a look at these transactions and make sure you're taking the most advantageous position in order to help that taxpayer save on taxes. To me, it's a very well invested relationship that you can build on and have an extra soundboard, an extra set of eyes that will know how to navigate through these complicated tax issues and tax regulations and the code itself in order to help a taxpayer save on taxes.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, the tax codes change yearly, frequently, as often as they want it to change. So yeah, being up to date, I guess that's really important, right? So having a professional CPA can be beneficial to navigate through those waters. And so, also I have a lot of sellers who have investment properties. And so let's talk about, what are like some essential qualities that they should be looking for when looking to hire a professional CPA?
That's another good question. I mean, if I were going to be out there myself, being a CPA for 12 years and working with different national and regional firms, if I was going to step out of my comfort zone and actually try to hire a tax preparer, what qualities should I look for? Definitely, I want to look for a licensed professional that I can actually check the state board and make sure their license is in good standing, because that's very important. As well as looking for what kind of experience that they have. Is their experience wide enough to be able to help me with my different tax situations and nuances? Do they have the education that it takes to understand these complicated tax reform and the tax code, whether for federal or for the state agency? And then last and most important actually is whether that professional has the great personality fit that you need to help yourself, what you're looking for, and whether you can understand and communicate effectively and efficiently. Otherwise, if that personality fit does not mesh well, it could be quite a challenging experience to get your taxes done.
Wow, that's pretty important to know, whether the CPA is the right fit, and it's very important to know that yes, you can self-prep your own taxes, but it sounds like if you really want to maximize any of the potential tax benefits available to you, your best bet would be to have a professional CPA or licensed CPA help you with that process. And so, in closing, anything else you want to add, Tiara?
Not just right now, but if you do have any further questions, please reach out to me, Tiara@yourcpacorner.com.
Nice. And we'll also have her contact information down below. And thanks for watching another episode, and we'll see you soon.